Wagon has two 12-volt sealed lead-acid batteries, which are off-the-shelf components and easy to replace. You can get about 5 miles off of one charge carrying 200 pounds, and the Wagon will carry up to 300 pounds, which is more than most people will carry to the beach. The handle and side railings are removable for easy transport and storage. The plastic wagon bed is removable for easy cleaning. Under there's an enclosed electrical and mechanical box to keep the sensitive components protected from the outside elements. On the control panel, there's a key on-off switch, a charging port for easy recharging, and dual USB charging ports so you can charge your devices while on the beach. It also has a voltmeter so you can tell how much battery power you have left.
The forward and reverse switch is located next to the variable speed throttle. Just press down with your thumb and off you go. There's also a neutral gear in case you run out of power, so you can manually pull the Wagon when the key is inserted.
Now for my favorite feature of the Wagon. It has 8 built-in pole holders into the frame. Simply take out the side railing, grab your umbrella or flagpole, pull right through the Wagon frame, dig yourself a small hole, put the pole in, fill it in, and you're all set.